Dental assistants are crucial members of a dental team and they work closely with dentists. It's a promising career, and in this video, we'll talk all about dental assistants. We'll cover top duties that you need to perform as a dental assistant, top skills you'll need as a dental assistant, salary and job prospects, and finally, how you can get started in this amazing career. This is Landon, you're watching Certified Success, and let's get started. Dental assistants play an important role in the smooth functioning of a dental office or clinic. Here are the top duties of a dental assistant. Number 1, patient care. A dental assistant acts as a liaison between patients and the dentist. In most cases, you interact with the patients before the dentist. Now, you need to listen to their problems, note their medical history, take their vitals, and explain the procedure that they need to undergo. Now, sometimes patients can be nervous, so you might have to settle their nerves, help them relax a bit, and make them feel assured about the procedure. Number 2, administrative task. You'll also be responsible for booking the appointments and scheduling follow-ups for the patients. This could involve anything from handling phone calls, processing billing and payments, and managing the calendar. Number 3, assisting during the dental procedure. Now, during the procedure, you help the dentist by passing instruments and holding equipment such as suction hoses, matrix bands, and dental curing lights. To ensure the process is carried out smoothly, you need to anticipate the needs of the dentist and be proactive during the procedure. Now, you might think, hey, Landon, where do I learn about all of this? Now, for that, you first need training and need to enroll in a training program. With the right training program, you'll develop a proper understanding of the instruments and equipment used in the dentist office, and we will talk more about that shortly. Number 4, sterilizing instruments. Before and after the dental procedures, you need to prepare the treatment room, making sure that the instruments and equipment are sterile. Now, this is very important in healthcare. Maintaining and abiding by safety protocols is a top priority. Number 5, taking and developing x-rays. If you were trained to take x-rays, then you need to perform it on the patient's tooth and the surrounding areas. Now, while performing x-rays, you should ensure that the x-ray images are clear. Now, these are general duties that you have to perform as a dental assistant. And apart from this, you might be tasked with additional administrative and clinical responsibilities depending on the workload. Now, as a dental assistant, you need to develop some skills to perform these duties to the best of your abilities. Here are the top skills that a dental assistant is expected to have. First, you need to be detail-oriented as a dental assistant. Your ability to observe the minute details would help in treating patients effectively. Plus, as a dental assistant, you need to follow safety rules, protocols, and infection control procedures. All of this requires precision. Second, technical competence. You are required to be proficient in providing chairside assistance during dental procedures. I mean, it is essential. This includes passing instruments, suctioning, and preparing materials. Third, interpersonal skills. Now look, effective communication with both patients and dental team members is essential. As we discussed earlier, you might have to comfort a patient and understand their concerns. This would require active listening and patience on your part. Fourth, organizational skills. Now, as a dental assistant, you should have excellent organizational skills, something I don't have. Now, this is important as you need to have correct tools in place before and after the procedures. Also, during dental procedures, you need to pass instruments to the dentist, like Tom Brady. Just don't throw them like that. If you are organized, the procedure will be completed smoothly without a hiccup. Plus, this skill comes in handy when you maintain patient schedules and office records. A successful dental assistant is someone who knows how to stay organized. Finally, fifth, adaptability. Dental assistants should be able to adapt to changes in the schedule or unexpected situations that may arise in dental practice. Sometimes you might have to rush for an emergency, and other times a procedure may take longer than expected. You should be able to adjust your workflow accordingly. Now, something to note here, as you gain experience, you'll get better at all of this. So it's okay, hey, you don't gotta freak out. Look, you don't have to be a master of everything as you start your career. But as you gain experience, you'll be tasked with additional responsibilities. Moving on, let's now cover how you can become a dental assistant. Now for that, you first need the right training. The right training program will teach you the necessary clinical skills you need as a dental assistant. Now this is the most important step, and enrolling in the right program is the key. After completing your program, you need to obtain national certifications from an organization like the DANB. For an entry-level role, it is recommended to obtain the NELDA certification. Now, to obtain that certification, you need to sit for the exam, and once you clear the exams, you are certified as a dental assistant. Congratulations. Now, I know you might have some questions like, what kind of training program should I enroll in? What's the best way to prepare for the exams? And how long will it take to complete my training? To answer these questions, we recently published a video on this channel where we give you a step-by-step blueprint on how to become a dental assistant. Now, in this video, Grant Aldridge, who is a higher education expert, talks about the different options you have for your training. And on top of that, he gives you a roadmap on how to start your career faster and without student loan debt. He also shares what you need to do to stand ahead of the competition as an entry-level dental assistant. If you want to start your dental assistant career the right way, this video is a must watch. I'll make sure to add the link for the video down below. So hey, check that thing out. All right, moving on. Let's discuss how much you can make as a dental assistant. Now, your salary can be influenced by a lot of factors like expertise, experience, and geographical location. According to the BLS, the median wage for dental assistants is $44,820 a year, or $21.50 hourly. Now, when you're starting your career, the wage is slightly lower, but the annual wage typically ranges from $30,000 to $40,000 a year. But as you gain experience, you can earn close to $60,000 annually. Whew, that's nice. Now, ultimately, you can make good money as a dental assistant. And plus, the job outlook is also quite promising. Employment of dental assistants is projected to grow by 7% annually, and about 55,100 openings are projected each year, on average, over the next decade. It is a great time to start your career as a dental assistant. And guess what? You don't need to get a degree to be a dental assistant. In fact, you can be job ready as a dental assistant in as little as 6 months. Yes, 6 months. You can learn all about that in the video I have linked down below. Now, if you are serious about this career, then you have to check this video out, okay? All right, guys, there you have it. This was a sneak peek into the world of dental assisting. If you found this video insightful, please make sure to smash that like button. Hiya! Subscribe to our channel for more career insights and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And until next time, this was Landon signing off. Take care.